Hello everyone. In today's class, we will see how to change the pivot point of any object in 3ds Max. As you can see on the screen, we have a door object. Its pivot point is currently at the bottom. When we rotate, scale or move any object, it rotates around its pivot point and its size starts to increase from the pivot point. To change the position of the pivot point, we will select the object, go to the hierarchy panel and then click on affect pivot only. After that, we can move the pivot point to any desired location as per our preference. In this case, I will move the pivot point to a position where we can open or close the door from. If we press S, snapping will be enabled and then we can snap the pivot point to any vertex. And now we will open or close the door to ensure that it opens or closes exactly from the desired point. If there are any issues, we will address them accordingly. There is an issue here. We need to change the pivot point accordingly. In my opinion, if we move the pivot to this point, the door will open or close exactly as desired. Yes, now the door is opening or closing from the exact point. And if you want to move the pivot point of the object to the center of the object, then you have to click on affect pivot only. Then from alignment, you have to click center to object. By this way, you can move the pivot point to exact center of the object. I hope you have learned how to change the pivot point position of any object in 3ds Max. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video. Take care.